Good morning, everyone. Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Myself, Alok, your moral science teacher. I would like to welcome you in this moral science class. Dear students, in last class we have completed lesson number 9. Okay. And in today's class we are going to start lesson number 10. The lesson's name is Fixing the Bicycle. Okay. So let's start today's class. In today's class what we are going to do, today I will read all the story, whole story, and I will explain you the meaning of this story. Okay, so here it is given. One afternoon, Musunda comes home after collecting water and finds Godwin working on Chisimba's bicycle. She sits in the shed near him and watches. After a few minutes, she asks, Godwin, do you remember how we used to play together when we were children? We would pretend we were hunters in the jungle looking for wild animals, he says, and you would put me on your shoulders and let me lead the way, adds Musunda. Things are different now. We are changing. Now please try to understand this chapter, this paragraph, 3 paragraphs. In this 3 paragraph, what it is explaining, that one afternoon, what happened, Musunda, she was coming home after collecting water. What is happening in some village, there is not proper water, that facility is not there. So what is happening, person has to go to fetch water from the river, pond or the well. So in the same manner, Musunda, she was coming after collecting the water, and what she is seeing that she finds that Godwin is working on Chisimba's bicycle. Godwin is repairing Chisimba's bicycle. So what happens, she sits in the shed near him. Near Godwin, Musunda is sitting under the shade of a tree, and she is watching that how Godwin is correcting the bicycle. Okay. After a few minutes, she asks, what she is asking? She asks from Godwin, Godwin, do you remember how we used to play together when we were children? When we were children, that time how we used to play together. Do you remember? So now Godwin is replying, we would pretend we were hunters in the jungle looking for wild animals, he says. Now Godwin is replying that we were pretending, we used to pretend to be the hunter of a jungle and looking for wild animals. We were pretending that we are the hunters and we were finding the wild animals in the jungle. Like that we used to play. He is replying. Okay. And Musunda is adding there, what is Musunda is adding? Musunda is adding that, and you would put me on your shoulders. And Musunda is adding that, and what you used to do, you used to put me on your shoulders and let me lead the way, and I was leading the way and we were walking like that, adds Musunda. But things are different now. But now things are different. We are changing nowadays. We are no more children. We are changing. Now things are different. Now Godwin is saying, yes, you are too happy to sit on my shoulders. Now, says Godwin, and both laughs. Okay, Godwin is making fun there. Now you are so happy, so because of that I can't put you on my shoulder. And both of them, they are laughing. Now, do you think about your future, Godwin? Musunda asks, what do you want to be? Musunda is now asking to Godwin that, Godwin, do you think about your future and what you want to be in your future? What you want to do in your future? And now Godwin is replying. Godwin continues working on bicycle. Godwin, he continue working on the bicycle. He is repairing the bicycle and saying, I don't know, exactly I don't know that what I want to be in the future. I want to make money. He's saying that I want to make money, I want to help our parents and have a family some days. He answers. Godwin is replying that exactly I don't know what I want to be, but I want to make money, I want to earn money, and I want to help our parents. Okay, and I want to have a family some days. Later on, I want to have family. Family means that he will get married and he will have a family later on. Okay, he is replying like this. Musonda is asking, but do you ever think about your talents and how you can use them? Ask Musonda. Musonda is asking, but do you know what is your talent and how you can use your talent? She is replying that Rose and I talk about this a lot. She is replying, Musonda is replying that myself and Rose, we are talking about this a lot. Then Godwin is replying, I know this, that you are talking about this. He says as he picks up a wrench. He's picking a wrench. That time only he's saying that I know that you are talking. Do you know wrench? What is a wrench? Wrench is a tool. With the help of wrench, what we are doing? We can tight a bolt. Okay. So while as means like Rose Godwin is replying that I know while picking a wrench, and you always talk about confirmation also. God help us when we make an effort, he is saying. Okay. Musonda is replying, but Godwin, it's true. It is true that God is helping when we are making an effort. And then Musonda is explaining that a story which she has faced, means yesterday, like when she has gone to her special place. That story she is sharing with Godwin, that what happens to the yellow bird and the wind. When wind was blowing, wind helped yellow bird, and yellow bird it make an effort, and wind help her it to fly. Okay, and she also explains that what she is doing. She also tells that at the health clinic they are going to help there. She also tells him about the work she and Rose have been doing with the children at the clinic, and she is also explaining what she is doing at the health clinic with the children, how both are helping there. Okay. That time only when both were talking, while that time only what happened, Chisimba arrives there. Chisimba arrives and Chisimba is saying, yeah, hello, he says. How is the bicycle? Did you figure out the problem? He asks. Okay. Chisimba is coming. He says hello to both of them, and he asking to Godwin that how is now my bicycle? Did you find the problem? Where is the problem in the bicycle? Then Godwin is replying, the problem was in the gear. I am still working on it. Answers Godwin. As he tightens a bolt. Okay, Godwin is tightening a bolt. He is tightening a bolt and replying that problem is in the gear of the bicycle. Okay, and I am still working on it. Then Chisimba is replying that I knew you could fix it. Okay, Chisimba is saying that I knew that you can fix it. I was knowing already. I knew already that you can fix this bicycle. You can correct this bicycle. And then after saying this, he turns towards the Musonda and says, do you know that your brother is a mechanic? Your brother is a mechanic. Do you know this? Your brother is a mechanic. He can fix the things nicely. That time only Rose is coming out from the homes. Rose comes out of the house and hears part of the conversation, and while she is coming out from the home, she is listening some of the conversation what they are talking, and she is saying to the Godwin, she says to Godwin, that is one of your talent. You are good at fixing things. as Chisimba is saying that your brother is a mechanic, that time only Rose is coming and she is saying, Godwin, that is your talent. You are good at fixing things. You can fix the things nicely. So you could be a good mechanic. In future you can be good a mechanic. Now Godwin is replying, just because I can fix a bicycle does not mean I am a mechanic. I would need training. Okay. Godwin is replying that it does not mean that I can fix a bicycle. It means that I am a good mechanic. Okay. For becoming a mechanic, what I need to do? I need to take training. I need training for that. Okay. Then the other three smiles and says, so make an effort. Everyone laughs, even Godwin. Then everyone, all three, they smiles and says, then so you make an effort. So you make an effort. Make an effort. Everyone laughs. Even Godwin also laughs. Okay. Then Chisimba is saying, Godwin, why don't you talk to Mr. Chiyosu, the mechanic with the shop near the market? Maybe he would teach you, says Chisimba with excitement in his voice. With excitement in voice, Chisimba is replying that, Godwin, why don't you talk to Mr. Chiyosu? Who is Mr. Chiyosu? Mr. Chiyosu is a mechanic whose shop is near the market. Okay. So Chisimba is advising that why don't you talk to Mr. Chiyosu? He can help you. He can teach you. He can train you. He can give the training to you. Okay. Now Rose is saying, yes, that could be a way to start. That can be a way to start. You could talk to Mr. Chiyosu. That can be one of the way to start like this. Now Godwin is replying, what? Asks Godwin, I can't just go and ask him like that. I don't even know him. Godwin is replying, what? Means question mark is that what? Not saying the what. If something happens, anything, so you are not replying like that. So expression is there. What? I can't just go and ask him like that. I don't know even. I don't know Mr. Chiyosu. So how I can go there? I can ask just like that to give me the training. Now Chisimba is explaining, I know him. I know Mr. Chiyosu. I know him. I can introduce you. I can take you and I can introduce you. We can go together tomorrow. Tomorrow we can go together there. Okay, say Chisimba. Chisimba is replying like this. Okay. Later when they are alone. Who are alone? Both the girls are alone. Means now Chisimba and Godwin is not there. So later when they are alone, Rose says to Musunda. Rose is saying to Musunda, tomorrow Godwin will understand the meaning of confirmation. Okay. And they laugh. But decided not to say anything to boys. Both of the girls, they are talking. That Rose is saying to Musunda, tomorrow Godwin will able to understand the meaning of confirmation. What is the meaning of confirmation? And then after both of the girls, they laughed and decided not to say anything to the boys about this. Okay. So like this story is over. This part of the story is over. Okay. So for today, this is only up to here only. Okay. So let's understand the homework. Today's homework is read lesson 10 nicely and try to understand. What you will do, you will read the lesson 10 nicely. Okay. Once or twice you will read and understand nicely. Second homework is do the question and answer of lesson 10 in book. In the book only the question answer, total 10 or 11 questions are there. All the question answer you will complete in your book only. And in next class I will explain you all the answers of the questions. First you try to do yourself. Think that whether you are able to do or not. In the next class we will discuss this all. In the class we will discuss next class that what you have written. If it is there wrong, so I will correct you. Okay. This is all for today. Thank you students. Bye everyone. Have a nice day.